$50 to Wall Street? You can invest too. It might sound surprising, but it's true. You don't need to be a financial expert or have a huge amount of money to get started. You don't need $1 million to start investing. Seriously. Many people think that investing is only for the wealthy, but that's a myth. Even with just $50, you can begin your journey to building wealth. It's all about taking that first step and being consistent. It's like planting a tiny seed. You nurture it, give it time, and watch it grow. It might be small now, but with time and care, it can grow into something amazing. Just like a plant, your investments need attention and patience. Many people think investing is only for the rich. That's just not true. Investing is for everyone. No matter your background or financial situation, you can start investing today. It's about making your money work for you, no matter how much you have. Every little bit counts and can make a difference over time. The most important step is to start. Don't be afraid to take that first step, even if it seems small. Don't wait for the perfect time or until you have more money. The perfect time to start is now. The sooner you begin, the better. Your future self will thank you for starting today. Understanding the basics, stocks, bonds, and ETFs is crucial for any investor. Investing might seem complicated, but it doesn't have to be. With a little knowledge, you can make informed decisions. Let's break down some common terms and concepts to make things easier. Stocks. Imagine owning a tiny piece of a big company like Apple or Amazon. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder. That's what owning stock is. You get to share in the company's profits and growth. When the company does well, your piece becomes more valuable. This can lead to significant financial gains over time. Bonds. Think of these like loans to the government or a company. They are generally considered safer investments. You lend them money and they promise to pay you back with interest. This interest is your profit. ETFs. These are like baskets of different stocks or bonds. They offer diversification, which can reduce risk. It's a simple way to invest in a variety of companies or assets at once. This can be a great option for beginners. Don't worry about becoming an expert overnight. Investing is a journey, and it's okay to start small. Just start with the basics and learn as you go. Over time, you'll gain the confidence and knowledge to make more complex investments. Making your money work is an essential step towards financial independence. Your first $50 investment can be the beginning of a fruitful financial journey. Ready to invest your first $50? Here's how you can get started on this exciting path. First, open a brokerage account. This is like a bank account for your investments, but instead of holding cash, it holds your stocks, bonds, and other assets. There are many options online, like Robinhood or Fidelity. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and educational resources to help you make informed decisions. Next, choose your investment. You can buy a fraction of a share of a company's stock, invest in an ETF, which is a collection of stocks or bonds, or even explore robo-advisors that make automated investments based on your goals and risk tolerance. These tools can help you diversify your portfolio with minimal effort. Finally, watch your money grow over time. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with patience and consistency, your investments can yield significant returns. Keep track of your investments and watch as they increase or sometimes decrease in value. Regularly reviewing your portfolio helps you stay on top of your financial goals. Remember, investing is a long-term game. The key is to stay informed, be patient, and keep your eyes on your financial goals. Happy investing! Low risk, big rewards, starting safe. As a beginner, it's smart to start with low-risk investments. These options are less likely to lose money, although they might grow more slowly. Index funds. These ETFs track a specific market index like the S&P 500, which includes 500 of the largest U.S. companies. High-yield savings accounts. These accounts offer better interest rates than traditional savings accounts, helping your money grow faster. Remember, it's always a good idea to do your research and talk to a financial advisor if you need personalized advice. Building your future. Keep investing, keep growing. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. The key is to be consistent. Set aside a small amount of money each month to invest, even if it's just $10 or $20. As you learn more and become more comfortable, you can explore other investment options. But the most important thing is to start now and keep going. Remember, investing is the key to building a secure financial future. You've got this.